Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete chats on your character.ai account. Now let's begin. Do note that I am on the old version of character.ai. Now right here is the character that I want to chat with. I am gonna type some spam messages. Let's say this is my chat with this character. Now what we want to do right now is simply click on the three dots at the very top right, click on them, and you will be given a drop down from which you can select this remove messages button. Now you can click on the individual messages that you want to delete, or you can also select all the following. These are the messages you want to delete. Now simply click on remove and your chat is deleted. Now for the new website, this is the conversation I have had with this character. What I want to do to simply delete all the chats is click on this new chat button right here and your chats will be deleted. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we delete your chats on character.ai. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.